Very warm welcome to everyone. This is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. And today we are going to talk about the upcoming Xiaomi Mi Max 3. The Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has leaked in December last month, suggesting a whopping 7-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio and two variants with Snapdragon 630 SoC and Snapdragon 660 SoC. The smartphone has leaked twice this week. The first leak this week suggested that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 will integrate a Snapdragon 635 SoC, differing from the leak that has surfaced in December. And the second leak this week reveals that the smartphone will come with a Snapdragon 660 SoC instead. However, it remained silent if the device will have a second variant packing a Snapdragon 630 SoC or 635 SoC. Besides this, the latest leak also featured a live photo of Mi Max 3 dissipating the rear side of the handset. It reveals that the rear will spot a horizontally aligned dual camera setup. Design-wise, the rear of the Mi Max 3 resembles its predecessor, the Mi Max and Mi Max 2. However, unlike the single rear camera setup in the predecessors, the Mi Max 3 mounts an horizontally aligned dual camera setup at the back. A fingerprint scanner is also rear mounted. Interestingly, the previous leak has suggested only a 12-megapixel single camera sensor at the back of Mi Max 3. Expectedly, the Mi Max 3 will come with a 6.99-inch display bearing the 18:9 aspect ratio that will result in an in-watch edge-to-edge display design. It may also come in two variants such as 3-megapixel, such as 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage configuration. Also, to complement a bigger display and a powerful SoC, the device is likely to house a bigger battery, checking in at 5500 mAh capacity. For the unwearers, the Snapdragon 660 SoC is a premium mid-range processor, slotting in just below the Snapdragon 800 series SoCs. Although as of now, it is only integrated into few devices, a lot of handsets will embrace this SoC in the upcoming months. It is not clear when the device will break cover, but according to the rumor mill, it will not arrive until the mid of the year and will tentatively priced at $300. As the launch of the device is far away from now, a clear picture of the exact specs and the price is likely to emerge only at the later stages. What do you think about it? Just tell me in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Time out.